Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with your assets ready, video clips and the music file. Import them into Capcut's media bin, then create a new project and set resolution and frame rate to match your delivery needs. Once done, drag your video onto the timeline and place the audio on an audio track beneath. This immediately reveals timing. Trim the video roughly to the section you'll score so you can work on alignment. Make sure to save the project before detailed edits. Now you focus on syncing and shaping the sound. Play the clip and mark beats, then split the audio at those markers so you can nudge music segments to hit visual cues. This improves impact. Use gain controls to balance music versus dialogue and add short fades at edits to avoid pops. If you have voiceover, put it on a separate track and duck the music using keyframes or volume automation. Once balanced, listen through headphones to catch masking or finish by checking levels, then export with audio settings that preserve quality. Select a suitable bitrate and sample rate. Once exported, play the file on multiple devices to verify mix and sync. If you notice synchronization drift, relink the original audio or replace the exported music clip and reconform by snapping it to the same timeline markers. Sometimes re-rendering the music at exact project sample rate fixes drift. If loudness varies, normalize or apply a limiter. Save a version project to avoid losing fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.